I found the dusty old typewriter in the attic while searching for my grandmother's quilt. It sat there, untouched since her passing, an artifact from a forgotten era. That night, as I lay in bed, I heard the unmistakable clatter of keys striking paper. I crept up the stairs, my heart pounding in my chest. There it was, the typewriter, its keys moving with a ghostly speed, spelling out my name over and over. I was frozen, hypnotized by the rhythmic typing until it paused and began a new line. Remember what you did. My mind raced back to that summer I'd spent with her, the secret I'd buried deep, the thing I'd sworn never to speak of. The typewriter resumed, now describing events only two people knew about, me and my grandmother. I could feel her presence, angry and demanding justice. The final line appeared slowly, chilling me to the bone. I'm watching. I backed away, the attic's shadows,